I'm going to turn this restaurant into the Kates. Here comes my first customer.
Hi Kate.
Hi Aaron.
Can I get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi Kate, Aaron.
Hi Diesel.
Can I get a job?
Sure thing.
Hi Kate, Aaron, and Diesel.
Hi Brian, Mongo, and Maya.
Can we get jobs?
Sure thing.
Here comes a customer.
Hi, can I have a burger, fries, and a Coke? Here you go. Thanks. Ugh, I do not feel good. You six made me feel sick. The burger was wrong, the fries were uncooked, and the soda was flat. That's it. I will phone your parents now.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
Hello parents of Kate, Aaron, Diesel, Brian, Mongo, and Dad and Uncle of Maya. Your kids gave me raw uncooked food. Can you come to the Kates to ground these kids? Okay, bye.
Kate, Aaron,
Diesel,
Brian, Mongo.
Maya.
We can't believe you gave the customer raw and uncooked food. Kate, you are grounded forever.
Aaron, you are grounded forever.
Diesel, you are grounded forever.
Brian, you are grounded forever. Mongo, you are grounded forever.
Maya, you're grounded for life.
Let's go home now.